I decided to go with the Image Captionizer because I thought this would be a great tool for my students when they're giving presentations. A lot of my presentations always have a lot of pictures, and I thought this would be a very classic way to have the kids show information along with those pictures. So I went to play around with it. Again, I went to add-ons, started it, saw that there's two ways to put in those captions. One way, however, the batch create and modify is only available if you pay for it. And you can build captions with sheets and then add those to your slides later on. This is good if you have like a major presentation that you want to do with lots of captions. So manually, basically, you go through and you have all these different templates. I initially tried the semi-transparent, and I went into settings to see what would happen. You can go through and you can change the different colors here, which I think is a great idea. Change however you want to do things to your liking to fit the picture, center, font, everything you want. Save it. It says that it's saved. Everything is good to go. Upload it. In my thinking that now that I save that template and I highlighted my picture, I put Captionize, that it should do what I want it to do. But unfortunately, none of the savings were saved. I went through this with multiple different ones of these different settings, and they all gave me the same thing. No matter what you chose in these templates, they always went back to what was initially given to you. So I think that if you pay for the upgrade, you can change them here, but if you don't pay for the upgrade, it's not going to change when you save them. So unfortunately, the only thing that is available when you do it manually and you don't pay for the upgrade is they give you an already picture length. Text box is basically all it is. You have to go through manually and change whatever you need to change, go through the slides, formatting, and do it yourself. So that was kind of unfortunate because I came and I did the same thing myself with the text box and did the same thing. So I think that this would be a well worth add-on if you pay the money for it, because everything can be changed right here very quickly. But if you want to do it the cheap way, you still can do it yourself. And it just won't take as much. It'll take a little bit more time because you actually have to make the text box, but that's pretty much the only thing that benefits from using this manually program. I guess I would recommend upgrading, because then you'd have all these options, and they would have a lot of different things for you to use. Semi-transparent, the dark background, kind of the same thing. You'll see that there's different templates that they're kind of the same. You can do a framed one, and they'll build a frame around it, but again, it goes back to what was the original setting. So upgrade. That would be my suggestion for this. If you have any questions, let me know. Maybe if you found more information on how to use this, that would be great. I would be open to any suggestions. As playing around with it for a while, that's pretty much all I found. So hopefully if you guys use it, you can get more information that's more helpful than what I could give you. Thanks.